rush that much.
It wasn't too bad, but we were really tired. I didn't sleep very much at all because the bed was like really high and the pillows were big and stuff, and it was just completely different than my usual sleeping habits. So I had a hard time sleeping, and then we set the alarm for around 9 so we could get up and have some breakfast and clean up and stuff for our 11 a.m. checkout. Last night I dropped my toothbrush in a place that's not hygienic, and so we had to go to the front desk to buy another toothbrush, and they were closed. So I was, you know, disturbed by that. I wanted to be able to brush my teeth, and the guy was, luckily, he was still sitting there, and he was like, you know, what do you need? And I was like, well, I need a toothbrush. And he looks at Robert, and he goes, you didn't pack this lady a toothbrush? And I was like, no, like, we dropped it, and, you know, it's dirty now. And he was like, oh my, he was like, don't you even worry about that, my honey. And he went and got me a toothbrush, and he just gave it to me. So that was really nice. And now we are
At a beach.
We are driving around, and we're gonna get out here now and go down to the beach. Okay, I have never been to a sandy beach before. I am really excited. Robert's gone over there already. So this is what it looks like coming down. It's kind of like Topsail Beach in a way. And we're almost to real sand. Oh my god. Wow.
You like it?
It's so cool. Oh my god.
So, this is Sandy. She wants to take sand home with her because it's her first time with real sand. Of course, there's her shoes.
We can make a sandcastle with this.
Yeah, we could. Apparently we can't.
Am I too close?
No, you're fine. Try again.
Okay, so we are now at Salmonier Nature Park. We've been driving for an hour and we decided to pull over here. And they've got this really big polar bear. And some stuffed guys. Oh, there's a wolf. I'm gonna try to find Robert. So he's never been here before, so he's gonna be really excited to go on the big trail and stuff. Oh, there's another big bear. And there's Robert. And there's a big wolf. It's not sad, honey. He was dead anyway. It's nice to be able to look at him, you know? He lives on.
He's beautiful.
Yeah. See the resemblance? there's a sign in front of the great horned owl that says "Be careful," like attention, like he's he's mad,
Savage.
he's savage, right? And
Then we passed him. We come up on a lynx.
there's no sign.
There's neither sign about a lynx, but be cautious of the big flying bird, not the giant savage cat.
Yeah, so we just passed the eagles and we've stopped at this little place. There's like, it's really pretty. And I hear other people coming, so we're gonna keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, we are finally home and we have a kitten. Nope, kitten's gone. And Robert's here.
Yeah.
And we're so tired. We're so tired. So we haven't slept for like 2 nights.
At all. Very,
At all.
very little sleep. We just had a wicked old feed of Mary Brown's, though.
Yeah, we did. Robert was really hungry. We have not stopped eating, which is good. And I had a good time. Did you have a good time?
I had a good time.
What was your favorite part?
Fire.
And the fire?
Yeah.
My favorite part was cooking the eggs on the campfire. I can still taste them. And they're really good. I'm gonna have to do that again.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's it. Until next time.
See you later.
Ooh.
Arr.